how to change Instagram picture after posting. So if you want to change your Instagram picture that you have posted recently, then what you have to do is you have to open up your Instagram application, and then here after opening, now if you go to the bottom right corner, you will have a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile, and here you will have your profile, right? So you have to choose any post that you would like. And let me tell you one thing, that you can't change the post that you have posted, but you can go to the upper right corner, which has the three dots icon, and from here you can choose the edit option. And after choosing edit, now you can simply edit the caption of your photo or post, or you can also tag people, edit your post, but you can't simply change your post. So it's not possible in Instagram. Once you post your photo, you can't change it. So that's it. That's how you edit your post instead of changing it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.